And just to give you an overview of how the financial literacy training is conducted, on average 20 participants are attending in one run, and we typically charge them for attending the training, which is very difficult to do, really. We charge around 10 to 15 euros for them to attend that, and we use that to augment our cost in delivering the training. And then of the 20 participants, 5 would immediately express interest to invest after the training. Well, but after we have told them that, say for example, you have to have 3 to 6 months equivalent of your salary liquid before you can even have the right to invest, because you should have something for your rainy day money. So after they do that and plot out their financial plan, then they go into investments. The average initial investment that we have is around 1,000 euros per migrant, and the average term of the investment is 1 year. And one of the selling points that we tell the migrants and to motivate them to invest is that for every 1,000 euro that they invest, it supports 10 micro enterprises. But we tell them that, you know, it's investing will not solve poverty. Investing alone will not solve poverty. There are a lot of things that we have to consider: infrastructure, enabling environment, capacity building, and things like that. But as we have seen, what we tell the migrants when we do our investment spiel to them is that when they make the investments, we also juxtapose the impact assessment of microfinance, the impact of microfinance to micro enterprises. So, for example, in our research of 24 microfinance institutions in the Philippines, we have seen that microfinance clients have a tendency to send all their children to school compared to non-microfinance clients. And most microfinance institutions in the Philippines also have micro-insurance products, so they are less vulnerable to diseases and health, and they could immediately access health services because of this program. But what are the challenges that we are facing is that there is a great need for migrants to have a guarantee scheme for their investments, and hopefully we are going to be able to achieve this with the support of one of the Dutch organizations, and we're really looking forward to this being implemented with CORDAID. And there is also a need to expand the Philippine portfolio to attract more migrant investors. So you should have a lot of choices for microfinance institutions for them to invest. And the other challenge is that the financial literacy training fees are only able to cover a fraction of our costs in conducting the training. So sustainability is a big question. And what we are trying to do with this is that we are, I'm talking with some of the DFD members here, and we are thinking of having a training of trainers so that we don't need to come here so often to conduct the financial literacy training. So.
Vince, thank you very much. We'll have all the presentations, and then we'll go